Share your knowledge with the world, Mr. Stevenson.
Right, we got a problem here. We got to fill that with plaster. But obviously, if we plaster it as it is, the plaster's just going to disappear into the ceiling, which is not going to be good. I'm going to solve that with a screw, a bit of cardboard, and a bit of string. Right, so just watch me. Unfortunately, I've not made this earlier. This is going to be made on the spot.
No, what we'll do is you make it, then we'll cut it out, and we'll go, here's one I made earlier.
No, all right, you can.
And then you'll do it.
No. You can do the here's what I made earlier.
And I'll put the one that you just made right here.
Yeah. Right.
That's
so
it.
no, this is just live TV. This is fabulous. This is how it's done. Right. You tie that on there, like so. Yeah. Then watch this carefully. Watch carefully. Measure precisely the size of the cardboard. There, yeah. And then you pop it up in there like that. Pop it up in there. You see, like so. And then you pull it down like that. And look what happens. You have a surface there to actually put your plaster in against, and you can hold it down with get it nice and wet in there, nice and wet so that the plaster sticks, yeah? Right, nice and wet. And then, now Carl, you can't tell anybody now, you know.
The world knows now.
The world knows now. So pop that in. Pop that in like that.
So I didn't realise it's hardly a celebrity electrician. There's a new show, isn't there? Electrofactor.
Electrofactor, yeah.
That's what it is.
Pop that in. Nice and tight. And then, as you can see, it's holding in nicely. And then, what you'll have to do, Mr. Handy, is when you come to plaster this,
yeah,
just get a screwdriver and just push the string up inside.
When I come to plaster?
Yeah, when you come to paint it.
Paint it,
yeah. Cut the string off and just shove it up.
and put a little bit of filler.
Yeah, put a little bit of filler. And you're off to the races.
Drops a good one.
You're off to the races then. All you have is a bit of string hanging out the ceiling.
Amazon Prime coming in clutch yet again.
No, you know. I expect next time you come in, you'll have to roll your trouser leg up. Shit, secret handshakes now. You're part of the secret handshakes. You're part of the secret handshakes brigade.
Yeah.
One of us.
There you go.
The electrician's code.
Yeah.
I changed the plug, and now I know you fix the ceiling. It's all happening for me today.
Oh, listen, big day for you. Okay, that's it.
Look at that, mate.
Job done.
Look at that, mate.
Dry off, and if you want to tidy it off after it dries off, you can tidy it off. There you go. Job done. Amazing.
It's like an episode of
Budget.
Tony Hart.
It's like